Hi everyone, so welcome to my channel. This is my next video of algebra, it should be video number 3 of algebra. And in this video I am going to talk about degree of the polynomial and types of the polynomial, correct? So let's start. What is degree of a polynomial? See, as we know, polynomials are basically numbers and some variables, right? So highest power of the variable in a polynomial is called the degree of the polynomial. How do we decide it? Let's see through some examples. Example number 1. 5y to the power 6, 7x square plus 2x plus x. So this is a polynomial. We are having two variables x and y here. So what is the highest power of the variable? Highest power is 6. So what is the degree of this polynomial, bachcho? That is 6. Come to example number 2. 3x to the power 7 minus 4x to the power 6 plus x plus 5. So it's a polynomial in the variable x and the highest power, as you can see, it is 7. So degree of the polynomial is 7. Come to third part. X to the power 5, y to the power 8 plus 3x square y square. See, जब दो वेरिएबल एक साथ हैं, so what we have to do? Add the powers. 5 plus 8, 13. 2 plus 2, 4. So what is the maximum power? 13. Correct? So the degree of the degree of the polynomial is 13. Because maximum power of the variable in one term is 13. We need to add the powers. Understood? Fourth example, 3x to the power 5, 2x to the power 4, x cube, x square plus 5. The maximum power here is 5. So degree is 5. 2. No variable is there. If nothing is there, as you know, if I write this, x to the power 0, this is equal to 1. So what is the degree of the polynomial here? Constant polynomial का degree कितना होगा बेटा? 0. ठीक है? You can make a note of it also. Degree of the constant polynomial is 0. Constant polynomial मैंने आपको मेरे last video में समझाया था कि क्या होता है. Now what we have to see, the next concept. How do we decide that a given expression is a polynomial? It may be or it may not be. So how do we decide? See, power of the variable जो होता है, it cannot be negative and it cannot be in fraction. We need to check these two things. Power should not be negative and power should not be in fraction. So basically it should be a whole number, right? So let's see. Question, next question देखते हैं, which is based on the concept that a given expression is a polynomial or not. है ना? So first question, root 3 upon x square plus 8. So I can write it as root 3 x to the power minus 2 plus 8. Can you see that this is x to the power minus 2? Correct? So power is negative. Variable का power negative है, means it is not a polynomial. Correct? So if you are having variable in denominator, then definitely if you take it up, it will be in negative. So that will not be a polynomial. Look at example number 2. Yeah, question number 2, as you can say, x square and x, these are in denominator. So x cube plus x to the power minus 2 plus x to the power minus 1 plus 1. It can be written like that as per the rules of exponents. So this is again not a polynomial. Achha, they are asking in one variable, polynomial in one variable. Okay, this also we need to consider. अगर two variables होंगे तो हमको cross करना पड़ेगा. This is a polynomial, all the powers are whole numbers. This is not a polynomial, again the same reason. Now this one you can see it can be written as y cube. Chalo, y cube is fine. 3 is a whole number. Y to the power 1. If nothing is there, we consider 1. Fine. So this is also okay. But under root y का मतलब होता है, it means that y raised to the power 1 by 2. Y raised to the power 1 by 2. It is a fraction. It is a fraction. So this will not be a polynomial. Correct? Come to sixth part. 2 by 3 z to the power 2 under root 5 z to the power 1. ठीक है. So powers of the variables पर focus करो. Powers of the variables, if you see, it is 2 whole number. It is 1 whole number. Correct? So it is a polynomial. This number, coefficient can be an under root. That will work. Next question, x to the power 2 plus 3x plus 5. Yes, it is a polynomial. Eighth one, again it is not a polynomial. Under root x is there. Under root x means x to the power 1 by 2. This is again not a polynomial because x to the power minus 2 will be negative. 10th one is a polynomial. 10th one is a polynomial. 11th one, 1 upon 5 y square plus 1 upon y. So it is not a polynomial. 1 upon y, it will go up, so it will be negative. It is not a polynomial. Next question, 12th. It is certainly not a polynomial. We are having under root. Next question is having two variables, and the question is saying polynomials in one variable. So one variable के condition के साथ, तो this is not a polynomial. This is also not a polynomial. This is also not a polynomial. Why? The reason is that here we are having more than two variables. Here also we are having more than one variable, right? In the 13th one we are having z and x, two variables. So it will not work. Here we are having three variables, x, y and z. Here we are having q raised to the power 1 by 2, which is a fraction. 1 by 2 is a fraction. And as I said, powers of the variables should not be negative and should not be in fraction. These are two criteria we have to check. The next concept which I have to take in this video is the types of the polynomial. See, types of the polynomials we can have on two bases. On the basis of number of terms. Terms क्या होते हैं? Terms I have explained in my previous video. So polynomials having only one term are known as monomial. For example, 6x, 5y, these are monomials. Binomials, polynomials with two terms. For example, 6x plus 2, 5y plus 8, these are having two terms. See, this is one term, this is second term. This is one term, this is second term. Trinomial, polynomials having three terms. 4x square, 5x and 7. These are three terms. So this is a trinomial. So on the basis of number of terms, we are having monomial, binomial, trinomial, etc. And on the basis of the degree of the polynomial. Degree of the polynomial, as I told you in this video itself, degree is the maximum power of the variable. So linear polynomial, a polynomial of degree 1 is called linear. For example, 4x plus 8, 2y, 3 plus 2. So degree is 1 because maximum power of the variable is 1. Correct? Quadratic, if you can see that a polynomial of degree 2 is called quadratic. Here 5x to the power 2, 7z to the power 2. Maximum power of the variable is 2. So these are with degree 2. Degree 2 means quadratic polynomial. Come to the third one, cubic polynomial. A polynomial of degree 3 is called cubic polynomial. For example, 8x cube, 5u cube. Correct? These are with degree 3. So they are known as cubic polynomial. So if you have understood, you can solve the next question. Quite simple. You have to classify the following as linear, quadratic and cubic. Y to the power 2 plus y. What is the maximum power of the variable, बच्चों? Maximum power of the variable is 2. Here 3, here 2, here 1, here 1, here 2. Fine. So with power 2, it's quadratic. You can refer the previous notes. A to the power 3 is cubic. Z to the power 2 is again quadratic. X to the power nothing is there, we will consider 1. So x to the power 1 is linear. M to the power 1 is again linear. X to the power 2 is quadratic. Fine. If I ask you to classify them on the basis of number of terms as well. So first one, y square plus y, binomial. Second one is also binomial because we are having two terms. Third one is trinomial. This is again binomial. 7m, only one term is there, so monomial. Here we are having three terms, so three terms means monomial, binomial and this is trinomial. So in this video I discussed about the degree of the polynomial and classification of the polynomials based on number of terms and based on the degree of the polynomial. And one more thing we have discussed, how to decide whether the given expression is a polynomial or not. So make proper notes. If you have any doubts, you can put it in the comment section. और अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छी लग रही है तो लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए फॉर मोर अपडेट्स, फॉर मोर वीडियोस. Thank you so much. See you in my next video.